Hi, I'm Jim Olson at the Fred Hutchinson Cancer Center, and I'm here with the team of Project Violet scientists.
Hi, I'm Colin.
Hi, I'm Will.
Hi, I'm William.
Hi, I'm Alex.
And we're here to tell you what the funds that are raised through the flittering and fluttering projects of Unravel pediatric cancer are being used for. Our team discovered and developed a drug called tumor paint. This is a molecule that comes from a scorpion toxin that we re-engineered and put a light molecule on it so that when you inject it into a patient's body, it goes through the body, finds the cancer cells, and makes them light up so surgeons can see exactly what's cancer and what's not cancer. We just got some amazing, great news that's being announced, and you're among the first people to hear about this, in that the United States Food and Drug Administration just gave us the green light to go ahead with human clinical trials for brain tumor patients in the United States for tumor paint. Now we're building on that. We've identified over 200,000 other drugs that are made by plants and animals in the world that they use for drugs and that we can use as blueprints to make new drugs for rare diseases such as pediatric cancers. And just to give you an idea of how much progress we have made, Colin, how many of these could a really good lab make per month when we got started?
Right, so that's the main challenge, and the challenge that we face right now is to take all of these drug candidates we have, 200,000 as Jim mentioned, and start to make them. And previously, that would take a year to make a few. It would take a year to make a few hundred variants of one molecule, and us and other labs started there. But now what we can do is in the course of a month, we can go from making one molecule over the course of a month to making 10,000 different molecules over the course of that month, which is hugely enabling for a program like this.
And Will, how much does it cost for a drug company to make a drug right now, and what is our goal?
Yeah, so a typical drug company, it would cost them between $4 and $11 billion to make a drug. Here at Project Violet, we're shooting for 10 to 20 million, so a big cut.
About a 1,000-fold difference. And Will, how about the number of years it takes to make a drug? What is it now, and what do we want?
Usually it takes them about 15 years or so to be able to get the drug through the pipeline and approved, but we're aiming for closer to 3 years.
And Alex, maybe you can tell them, we have tried for grants for this innovative work, and a lot of times those don't come through. So our patient families and their friends of friends have raised a lot of money for us to enable us to make tumor paint and these other technologies. How much have the patient families raised so far over the last 15 years?
From the families, we've been able to raise about $13 million.
So that's where we're going with all of this, and we can't thank you enough for your contributions through the flittering and fluttering programs at Unravel Pediatric Cancer. One final thing is that Libby, I told her that I'd have this video to her last week, and when I couldn't get it to her because of time, she gave me a hard time, said, well, it better be good. And then I was going to get it to her yesterday, and I couldn't get it to her because of time, and she says, all right, well, now I'm expecting to see some skin. And I thought I would just show the tattoo that describes the kind of drugs that we make. But I know that Libby's not going to be satisfied with that because it's already been on Fox News and in Wired magazine. So, guys, Libby wants to see some skin. Take off your shirts, man. I think we'll it can happen, I guess. Send us some money, then you get to see some skin.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Thank you very much. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you.